Update, AITAH for telling my childhood friend I wouldn't court him because I didn't want to have his mother as my mill. Thank you all so much for all the advice. It really helped with making my decision on how to handle the situation. Before I explain what my decision was, I'm going to answer some of the questions I was asked. My family is religious and a bit old-fashioned, I suppose. My parents always told me growing up that dating was more casual and isn't always done with the intention of marriage, while courting was more formal and with the intention of marriage in the long run. John grew up the same way, so to us he was asking if he could get to know me as a potential spouse. I didn't tell anyone but my father what I overheard Amy saying about me, as at the time I didn't want to start problems and ruin relationships. My father did understand why I didn't want to be as close to Amy anymore and never forced the relationship. I might consider changing my mind if I wasn't expected to have a relationship with Amy and more than seeing her every once in a while at family gatherings, as long as I wasn't expected to speak with her. Okay, so I did send the screenshots of the messages I was getting to John. He called me and apologized, saying that he never intended for his mother to react that way and that he only told what I had said because he was angry and upset. He did say he wasn't angry at me as he understood my point of view. I did also tell him what I overheard and he didn't deny it, and also told me she often said mean things about others as well, and that apparently she would say nasty things about him and his siblings to others also. Which I figured she said nasty things about others too, but not her own kids. John told me he'd speak with his mother and would also like if we can all sit down and have a talk. I told him I'd think about it. I also sent the screenshots to the other friends that were sending me nasty messages, and most of them have been very quiet since then. My dad is appalled by their behavior as well and hasn't spoken much to any of them. Same goes for my siblings and the friends that are on my side.